Hi. Today I am going to discuss with you about evolution of management thought. The origin of evolution of management can be traced back to the days when man started living in groups. History reveals that strong men organized the masses into groups according to their intellectual, physical, and mental capabilities. We have evidences of the use of well organized principles of management, that is, in the organizations of Roman Catholic and in the organization of public life in ancient Greece and the organization of the military forces. Coming to the evolution of management, it is divided into four stages, that is, pre scientific management period, classical theory, neoclassical theory, and modern theory. In pre-scientific management period, the major contributions are made by Roman Catholic Church, military organizations, and writers like Charles Babbage, James Watt, etc. In classical theory, there are three important theories are there, that is scientific management theory and administrative management theory and theory of bureaucratic model. And again in new neoclassical model, there are two theories, that is Hawthorne and experiment model. Then coming to modern theory, there are systematic approach and contingency approach. So this pre-scientific management period is from late 1700s to late 1800s. It is also called industrial revolution period, where industry is equal to work and revolution is equal to rapid changes. There are many changes taking place during this industrial revolution. That is, from farms to factories, from small shops to largest companies, it has changed many things in industrial revolution. And the classical theory, it was also closely associated with the industrial revolution and the rise of large scale enterprise. Classical organizations and management theories is based on many contributions from number of sources. And in classical theory, they treated men as a machines. The major drawback is they did not consider the man as an asset. In neoclassical, this theory is built based on the classical theory. It modified and improved and extended the classical theory, which concentrates on job content and management of physical resources, whereas neoclassical theory greater emphasizes to individual and group relationship in the workplace. That is, it mainly concentrated on the individual and group relationships. In classical theory, it only concentrated on a formal structure, but in neoclassical, it also focused on formal and informal form of management. Whereas modern theory, it is entirely different from the classical and neoclassical. It considers an organization as an adaptive system or open system, which has to adjust to the changes in its environment, that is, in internal environment and external environment. When the changes, it considers both the external environment changes and internal environment changes. An organization is now defined as a structural process in which individuals interact for attaining objectives. Hence, it is the evolution of the management. Thank you.